Yeah guys, so welcome to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Insta360 One X2, and this is a 5.7K 360 capture camera, and I've been really stoked about this for a long time now, and Donnie from Limitless Tech has seriously hooked me up with this at an amazing deal. So any tech items you're looking for, either cameras, lenses, drones, gimbals, anything, make sure you head over and check out limitlesstech.co.za. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So we have a NetApp 128 gig SSD that goes with this camera, but let's keep that aside, we can't really unbox that. And let's go ahead and unbox this. So what do we get in the box? This is the Insta360 One X2, and it is a 360 recording camera, as I mentioned. It has a front and a rear camera and four mics for 360 audio as well. It has a display screen, power button on the side, and then menu button. It has a 1 3/4 inch recording. Yeah, it's already come on. Please activate. Put it on. 3/4 inch screw at the bottom, your usual tripod screw. We have an accessory box, which this too, okay, it's not as hard to get out as that. What do we have in our accessory box? So in our accessory box we have our USB-C charging cable. You can do B-roll of this if you want, see what you need to get off. We have some Insta360 stickers, and I love the fact that they actually send out stickers now. It's, you know, for a creator, it makes a big difference because we tend to hoard these things. This is a protective pouch for the camera. And they have our usual booklets. What is this? Something else that's soft. I'll say the packaging on this thing is really firm. So this is a very high quality microfiber cloth. It's a very high quality microfiber cloth, more probably to keep the lens clean. Insta360 One X2 is a 5.7K 360 capture camera. It has Steadicam mode built in, as well as flow state stabilization and an invisible selfie stick feature. So basically you attach your selfie stick to this and it mends the picture together so that it creates one seamless video and you don't know that there's a selfie stick in it. So the big thing for me is that it is 10 meters waterproof and has an AI editing feature. So you don't have to spend time trying to figure out how you're going to edit this. The AI actually is smart enough to know there's a subject and this is what you're trying to record. It does that. So I mentioned it's four mics for 360 recording, and it has an ultra bright touch screen and has a hyperlapse as well as a voice control feature. So I'm seriously looking forward to testing this out and playing with it because it's going to unlock so much of potential for us. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant, and if you'd like to see the full video of the Insta360 One X2 full review, you can head over to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/techsceneza. But I will see you guys in the next one.
invisible.